Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some red velvet cookies. Let's begin. You'll want to start by getting your mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl placing your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar, and mixing them all together until they are combined. You'll notice once they are combined as the colour will become a light sandy brown colour and it will become lighter in consistency. Give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can add in your egg and mix this on a low to medium speed until the egg has been fully worked in. You will notice that the consistency has changed and this is completely normal. You'll want to give the bowl another scraping down. And next you can sift your dry ingredients, which is the baking powder, the flour, salt and cocoa powder. Sift it all into the bowl and then start to mix it on a low to medium speed, and once you've got part of the way working the flour in, you can start to add in the red food colouring. I ended up using a gel. I do recommend using a paste or a strong gel, whichever you can get your hands on easiest. So once the dry ingredients and the colour have been incorporated, you can then give the bowl a scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can add in your white chocolate chips, keeping a few back to add on top later on, and just fold the chocolate chips in until they are well distributed in the dough. Then for each cookie you'll want to take 2 scoops of dough, roll them together and place them on a tray. Repeat this until you have around 6 on a tray, as they do spread while they are baking, so keep that in mind. So for them to bake almost perfectly round, I flatten my cookies down, then get a cookie cutter and just round them off a little bit, and this helps to keep the shape as they bake. So here are what the cookies look like once they are fresh out of the oven. You can feel free to just leave them at this, but I like to add more chocolate chips on top, because what is a cookie without chocolate chips? And the more you can have the better, isn't it? After about 10 minutes cooling on the tray, you can then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely, and then you can enjoy them, or if you want to you can freeze them at this stage as well and enjoy them at a later date. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to check out the description, as there'll be a link to my blog, my social medias and everything else. And that's all for this week. Bye guys.